This is a quiet little village where everyone lives in harmony. But among them was a boy who had a bad habit. Meet Rohan. He was smart and playful, but he had one big flaw: he loved to lie. One day, he told his best friend, Ayan, that there was a treasure buried right under their feet. Ayan fell for the trick, digging with all his energy, until he realized there was nothing there. "Rohan, you tricked me again," Ayan shouted. But Rohan only laughed. To him, lying was just a game. One day, Rohan decided to play a bigger trick. "Help! There's a tiger near the river," he screamed. The villagers panicked, running inside their homes in fear. But when they saw no tiger, they turned to Rohan, who was laughing loudly. "Rohan, this is not funny. One day, no one will believe you," warned an old man. But Rohan didn't listen. He kept lying, thinking it was all harmless fun. But one evening, as Rohan walked home alone, he heard something rustling in the bushes. It was a real tiger. Rohan ran as fast as he could, screaming for help, but no one listened. They thought it was just another one of his tricks. But this time, the danger was real. The next morning, Rohan sat quietly. He had finally realized what his lies had done. "Rohan, trust is like this thread. Once broken, it is hard to fix," the village elder said. Rohan felt ashamed. He had learned his lesson. From that day forward, Rohan spoke only the truth. He worked hard to regain everyone's trust, and so, he became a boy people could trust once again. Because honesty is the key to a strong and happy life.